Hey guys, so I've had this package sitting on my desk for about a month now, but I haven't even opened it yet. I just really wanted to sit down and film for you guys, and I was waiting to have a few minutes to do that. So today is the day, and I'm just super excited. So this purchase was made right after I set up my mini happy planner, and I'm going for a minimal type of look. So as you can see, very clean, very minimal, and I just needed a few little extra things to add to this one. So then I went ahead and went on Little Miss Fancy Plants website, and if you know, this is from Quita, from At Home with Quita, and she has a shop. So I went ahead and purchased these goodies from her. So I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so I am just finally able to open this, and I'm just so excited. So I'm guessing that is my order, and it looks like it is, and there's nothing else. So the first thing I see are some Muji pens, because I know I had one in the 0.38, and I don't think I've had it in the 0.7, so I wanted another one, and I wanted to try this one, so I went ahead and ordered both of these, and I'm just super excited because this is a really fine tip, and I just love using those ones in like my mini happy planner. So I'm glad that I was able to get a hold of some more of these pens, and I love that it was packaged in this little bag. I think that's super cute. So let's see what else. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, so here we have a little thank you card. So that's all of the information. So very pretty. I love this right here. So then let's see. I almost forgot what I even ordered because it's been such a long time. So it's feeling like Christmas. So let's see what is in here. And this is some vellum. Like, how pretty is that? I wanted my name on here, so of course this was custom, so I just had them put my name on here. So very simple, very pretty, and I love that. And I also ordered this grid one. I think it looks so pretty, and I'm super excited about this one. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like a rose design on there, so I think it is so pretty, and I thought it would look really nice paired with this pink cover, and I think that is so pretty. So I'm definitely going to layer some of these together because I just think it's so pretty. Just look at that. And then let's see how this looks. Like, how cute and just simple and elegant does that look? Very, very pretty. And I'm looking to replace this pink one, so I'm ready to put those in, but let me go ahead and keep looking and see what else I ordered. So I ordered some transparent sticky notes, so I just thought that that was so unique, and I wanted to try these out. So let's see. Okay, so they're nice and transparent. See? Like, that's gonna be really pretty. Yeah, okay. So I love that one. And then I just had to order a few more. And this one, let's see. I think it was just some grid sticky notes. So it has like that faint gray up here at the top, and it's just grid. So you get a few of those, so that's very pretty. And then I did get another one, and it has bullet points and just some lines, because I'm always looking for sticky notes that have lines, but like just normal sticky notes are all kinds of colors, and of course I don't want any of those. So this is very simple and just so neutral. So again, a few of those, and I love that it has lines. Lines or dot grid is always a must. I always need lines. And let's see, I did order some, I think these are called teardrop clips, because I really wanted to add some to my planner. So, of course, I added some black ones. So let me just place it right here so you can see. So some black ones and then some rose gold as well. I just thought that these ones would look pretty with the pink cover. So I love that. I can't wait to use these ones. So I'm already loving what I ordered because like I said, I had forgotten what I had ordered. So these are just some of her sticker sets. So, oh, actually they're upside down. So we have like hexagons, squares. These are squares, but they're just outlined in the color and white in the middle as opposed to these ones, which are all filled in. And then some circles, some corners, and then just like washi tape. So I love this color, very pretty. And then, of course, I had to get them in the pink color as well. So same thing, but just in pink. Okay, so I love these. I can't wait to start using these ones. I love everything that I bought. I'm so glad I finally had the chance to just sit down and do this quick little unboxing for you. And while I have you here, I think I'm gonna go ahead and add these vellums because they're just so beautiful. Okay, I think I'm gonna do these ones. And I don't know what I'm gonna do about this one because we have the calendar here on the back. And I don't know, I really don't use this calendar anyway, so we'll see. But for now, yeah, so it's just peeking through a little bit and I'm okay with that. I do need to find a place for this one though, so I'm not sure because I really love this flower one. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it, so of course I have to use this one. I think I might as well put it here for now. That way I don't lose it, and I bet it's going to look pretty. Okay, so there we go. I love this. The font on this one is so pretty, just so delicate, and I love the way that this looks. I think it completes my planner because this hot pink one was not working for me. It was way too bright. So I'm so happy that I finally got this order in and I was able to finally sit down and film for you guys. So I hope you liked everything that I got. I am super excited to start using everything and just have fun playing with it. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephanie Happily Plans. And I'll see you next time.